I just found 228 C-suite decision makers, all with this AI sales chatbot. One sentence, no filters menu, and every single person on this list can actually say yes to signing a deal. I'm going to show you the list I would have normally built, the one with plenty of leads, but not necessarily the right ones. Then the simple word that flips it into a spreadsheet just like this. By the end, you'll see the exact filters that separates a list that converts from a list that potentially wastes your outreach. And as long as you know how to type a sentence into a chat box, then you can build your own list like this too. This is the Scalelist AI Lead Finder. I just describe in plain English who I want. It searches multiple live databases, and the list that it hands me has the contact info already verified. In order to get started, just go to the Scalelist.com website to create your account. Then from the Scalelist dashboard on the left navigation panel, click the Leads Finder at the top. Now before, I was always looking for the biggest leads list possible, thinking that bigger was always better, but that's not necessarily the case. Let's just do a quick search for VPs at financial services in the US with over 10,000 employees. It's immediately come back to confirm my job titles, industry, company size, and location, and also asks if I want to expand my search by adding in any additional titles or industries. Let's just go ahead and add all, and then estimate market size. Okay, and it can give me anywhere from 1 to 2 million leads. Now, a huge list seems ideal, right? But that's every VP, manager, director, or C-suite executive across all financial companies in the entire United States. So let's try looking for a much more specific title in a different size company. Let's say now that I want to look for owners, founders, or CXOs at financial service companies only in Miami with anywhere from 51 to 200 full-time employees. Okay, and again, it'll offer to expand my filters. I don't want to add anything else. I want to stick to those filters specifically. Okay, and this is a much more manageable number for a company the size of mine. Anywhere from 1 to 200 leads or even up to 500 is more realistic and manageable for my team. And it's nowhere near the 1 to 2 million leads that it offered to find for me before. Now, the huge list is not necessarily a bad thing. It all depends on what your needs are. In my use case specifically, I want to make sure that I'm reaching decision makers at the very top who can actually sign a deal. The key here isn't just about finding leads, because the Scalelist AI can clearly do that. It's about making sure to match the job title to the size of the company to give me a list that's workable. Now, it doesn't cost me anything to do this initial search. I'm only charged credits for the leads that I actually ask the AI to pull for me. It's estimated it can find 1 to 200 leads, with each lead pulled costing 1 credit. Let's go ahead and add all leads. Now my chat has moved over to the left panel. I can either close it up here if I would like. If I need to reopen the AI chat for any reason, I can just click on this AI chat button and it'll pick right back up where I left off. At the top, I can see that it's exporting my leads and approximately how much time it has left. Now already it's asking me if I want to find emails for my leads. I will search for emails, but I want to make sure that the list is fully extracted before I start searching for any leads, just to not double up on the jobs that are running right now. Now it's going to take a few minutes for that to run through, so we'll just pause here and I'll come right back when it's all done. Okay, and in total, it's come back with 228 leads for me. I can see in my column headers, we have LinkedIn profile, first and last name, job title, company, and email and phone number is also available. Now I can go back over to my chat on the left side. I can look for emails or phone numbers right now. Let's search for emails first. Okay, and once again, I have my progress bar at the top along with the approximate time remaining to look for those emails. Now for every email found costs 1 credit, and no credits are charged for any emails that are not found. Verification is also included in the cost of the credit. Verification just means whether the email has been found valid or risky. Valid meaning the email has been found and is confirmed deliverable. Risky meaning the email's been found, but it's unconfirmed whether or not it's deliverable, so it's up to you to decide whether or not you still want to use that email. Okay, and in total, it's found 129 emails. 110 of those were found valid, 19 are risky, and 99 that weren't found. Now I want to search for my phone number, so let's just go over to the chat on the left side again, and I'm going to click on Find Phone Numbers. For every phone number found costs 20 credits, and again, no credits are charged for any phone numbers that are not found. Let's just give that a few, and we'll come right back. Okay, and in total, I have 196 phone numbers that were found for me. And we can see that the email column as well as the phone number column have been filled out for me here. All of these names in the LinkedIn profile URL have live URLs, so I can click on any one of them and it'll open into a new tab and go directly to that person's LinkedIn page. Also, I can click on any company name and it'll go directly to that landing page. Now from here, I can click on this blue Actions button at the top. I can either export this file as a CSV an Excel, or I can push all of my leads directly to my CRM or sequencer immediately. I'm just gonna export the CSV, and I wanna export all leads. And here's what my final spreadsheet looks like. I have LinkedIn profile URL, first and last name, job title, company, email, and phone number, as well as multiple other data points. One prompt later, and the Scalelist AI Lead Finder has given me over 200 leads, almost 130 emails, and approximately 200 phone numbers. And all I had to do was type one sentence. Try the Lead Finder for yourself at scalelist.com. And if you're wondering why I'm not doing all of this directly from Claude anymore, I just posted a video on exactly why the Scalelist AI replaces Claude for lead gen entirely. So make sure to watch that next. Now it's your turn. Scale smarter and not harder.